This rice is so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. In a pan, I added some oil and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added some gizzard and I'm going to stir fry it for a couple of minutes. Not deep fry, just to give the gizzard a little bit of texture as usual. The gizzard is fried to my liking. I added some chopped garlic. If you don't like to cook with garlic, skip that. But garlic make your food to be delicious. Added some tomato paste and some onion. I'm going to stir fry this for about a minute or so just to remove the sour taste of the tomato paste and to infuse the onion and the garlic flavor into the gizzard as well. Added more dry beef so we can have enough obstacle inside the rice, alright? Just do whatever you want to do with your sauce, alright? Add chicken, add fish, add whatever you want to add. Once I add the beef, I give everything a quick stir until they are well combined together. And I go in with my pepper mix. I have tatashe, tomato, and chili pepper inside this pepper mix. I just add the pepper, give everything a quick stir until they are well combined together. And it's looking so beautiful already. This rice is so delicious. Go and give it a try. I also have some onion in my pepper mix. I forget to mention that. And I added some chicken stock. I bring it out from the freezer. That is why it's looking like that. Alright. I go in with my seasoning. I just make use of curry, thyme, salt, and seasoning powder. Make use of any seasoning of your choice. Once I add all my seasoning, I stir everything together until they are well combined. I'm going to cover the pot and allow the stew to fry on a low heat. Because I don't have too much water in this stew, I'm going to be frying it on a low heat. The stew is almost done. Before it's perfectly done, I added some frozen green peas. I have this in my freezer already. That is optional, but so we can have some vegetable in our rice, alright? I just added the frozen peas and then I stir everything together. I'm going to cover it and allow the frozen peas to defrost and to absorb a little bit of flavor from the pepper. And I go here with my rice. My rice of choice today is Egyptian rice. Feel free to make use of any rice of your choice. Once I add the rice, I stir everything together until they are well combined. I'm going to go in with the water. This particular rice does not require for a whole lot of water. I'm just going to be adding the water little by little. Once I add the water, I stir everything together until they are well combined. I cover the pan and allow to cook. And this is how you can make use of Egyptian rice to cook your jollof rice if you are living here in Egypt. If you don't want to add gizzard and beef into your jollof rice, just go ahead and skip it. But follow the process, you will get perfect Nigerian jollof rice with this Egyptian rice, alright. I came back to check on the rice and the rice is not done yet. I just top it up with water, cover it with plastic bag. You can make use of aluminium foil. I cover it back and allow to cook, and at this point my rice is perfectly cooked. I just remove the plastic wrap and I go here with some butter as well, just to add more shiny, more flavor into the rice. Added some chopped onion, and to top it up I added some nutmeg. Trust me, if you follow this process you will get perfect Nigerian jollof rice with this Egyptian rice. I just added all the ingredients, stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, this tasted so delicious and it's looking so beautiful. Go ahead, serve it and enjoy. It's so delicious. Go and give it a try. This particular tips is for my people that they are here in Egypt. I know most of you guys watch my video. If you want to use Egyptian rice to cook jollof rice, do not overstir it when you are cooking it. Just allow the rice to steam on a low heat. And trust me, it's going to turn out perfectly well. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!